Hi everyone, what we're going to do in this video, I've had a few questions for people wanting to know how to write blog posts faster and easier, because blogging or content marketing, whatever you want to call it, is a fantastic way to generate leads. However, it can be incredibly time consuming. The great thing is now I use ChatGPT and sort of AI to help me a lot with this process. So I'm going to go through and run a quick demonstration of how to use ChatGPT to create an article for your website. Okay, and then you can share this on social and share it wherever you want. However, word of warning, don't just ask ChatGPT to do something, get it to generate something, and then put it straight on your website. It will get flagged as being AI generated. So we need to do a couple of little tweaks, a couple of little bits so that that isn't the case. Okay, so I'm going to go into the video. So I'll just open up Google. So I'll just size this correctly. Okay, so we're in Google, and if you've not used ChatGPT, if you just type in ChatGPT, find chat.openai.com. Sign in just using your Google account. Gmail seems to work the best. I've tried it with different domain emails and it can be a bit glitchy. So if you've got a Gmail account, use that to sign up for. As you can see, I've got loads of stuff here that I've been working on and doing. But when you click New Chat, this will open up. Put in some basic information about your business because that helps ChatGPT understand what it's writing for. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go straight in because this is a demonstration one. Okay, so ways compelling titles for a about first aid. Yeah, we'll see what it comes back with. Let's get me fat head out of the way. Okay, there, 10 essential first saving license. There you go. So there we've got there. So we can copy this. In fact, I'll make that one because I quite like that one. Okay, so it's going to start generating. Okay, so leave that to do what it's going to do. Oops. Okay. Okay. So there you go. Nice little article. So once you've got that, like I said, if you was to copy this and put it straight in, it's going to cause you problems. It will get recognised. So you want to go, please. So it comes back with. There you go. So now it rewrites it. So we're happy with the article, but it rewrites it in a different way that's a lot easier to read, a lot more user friendly, okay, and won't get recognised as AI. So there's lots of different ways to do this. I'm going to be doing loads on AI in the coming months and whenever, because it's been a massive game changer. Now, generally, to get a copywriter to write a single blog post article, you're looking anywhere £100 plus to write an article. Okay, and believe me, there's some stuff I do still get copywriters to do because there's certain things they can do that other things can't do. But for your general blog posts, as long as you've used, say, SEM Rush, which is a keyword tool, to sort of have a look and get your ideas for articles and see what people are asking questions about. For general content, this is a game changer because it's just so quick and easy. So once you've got your blog post, you can just nip across to the website where you want to do it. Okay, just wait for that to open up. I'm going to go and generate while I'm waiting that to open up. I'm going to go across to Canva. I'm going to get an image. Right, design, custom sign. I'm going to go. I'm going to name that the remember, if you're uploading images onto a website, once you've resized it, run it quickly through tiny PNG. Yes. Okay. I'm going back to WordPress now. Found an image that I'm going to use that I like. Go across to posts, and I'll do a lot more on content marketing because it is really impressive. Put in the title. Alright. Focus. I'll go through and do a bit on SEO later on, but again, remember, have a quick read through. I'm doing this for speed, but go through, check it makes sense, everything's nice and clear. First aid skills. First aid skills, yes, that's in now. And there you go, look, 82 heading. Okay, really good. The SEO's readability is okay. SEO, that will come. Need to put an outbound link in, images. Right, the image. So featured image. Okay. Internal links, I'll go through there. Key phrase in SEO. First aid skills. First aid skills is there. Why is it just not at the front? It's in there but doesn't appear in the front. That's all right. I've used it before, so I will go and find a different one. Then I just need some internal links and outbound links. So the everyday heroes there. And I'm going to do that to the so I'll either link it. There we go, so I've linked to there. Learning and practicing, I'm going to turn that into an external link. So if I go to what I'm going to do, I'm going to do an external link to where the training centre is for this business. Copy link, so I've now got an external link and an internal link. That SEO green, readability green, happy with that. Publish, publish. So now I've created an article using ChatGPT, and this was just a very brief one. I'm going to go through and reread it and do it all properly, spend a bit more time with it. But that's the speed of what you can be creating content for, blog posts, articles, whatever. Okay, just make sure you don't use it straight from ChatGPT. You need to be running it through some other bits and pieces to make sure it's not picked up and marked, not as spam, but it will know it's AI generated. Okay, so hope that helps and show you it can be quick, can be very, very easy to do. Let's have a look at an article. There you go. There's our article. All posted and done. Okay then. So I hope that's been helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.